Hey, how's it going? So, here's a good news story. I like stories like this because the news is so flooded with disparaging shit. Wow, that is like really. Okay, there we go. So, this police officer rescues a man that was sleeping in his car just moments before the train crashes into it. I don't know, man. That's that guy's guardian angel or something, but dang. Last minute rescue was caught on camera when an officer noticed a man asleep in his car on train tracks. That's odd. Either he was on drugs, drunk, or he's a diabetic, something he passed out, or he was trying to end it. The incident happened July 24th, but the Cobb County Police Department posted the video to its Facebook page Tuesday. These officers put their own lives at risk to save this citizen and summarize this in a nutshell. Wow, the post reads. Okay, isn't that the job? Well, no, it isn't the officer's job to protect people. It's their job to serve people. But that's awesome, though. At about 3 a.m., officers noticed the car straddling the tracks and saw the driver was asleep with the doors locked. As they got closer to the car, the railroad signals activated and the crossing arms went down. They knew they had to act fast, so an officer smashed the window of the car and pulled the man out. Moments later, a train crashes into the car. The driver, whose identity was not released, is facing charges including DUI. Yeah, he got drunk and passed out. Idiot. Good for the cops that. See, I like it when cops do stuff like this. As long as they don't violate your rights and they don't act all dictatorship and above the law. I like stuff like this. All right, I'll like, subscribe, share, comment, donate. I'll see you guys in the next video. Should we watch the video? Let's watch the video just a little bit before we go.
Hey man, get out of the car! Get out of the car! There's a train coming! Get out of the car! There's a train! Come on, man. There's a train coming! Get out of the car! There is a train coming! You're on the track! Get out of the car! Buddy, get out of the car! Come on, get out! There's a train! Unbuckle your seatbelt! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Come here, come here! Yeah. Man, get the phone call. Come here,
Oh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.